Are you smart enough for high school? I have 100 questions to test your knowledge in this quiz. Don't forget to share your score in the comments at the end. Let's get started. In physics, what is the unit of force? It's B, Newton. What is the smallest prime number greater than 50? Yeah, it's A, 53. Which brand of mathematics studies shapes, sizes, and the properties of space? It's B, geometry. What is the name of the hormone responsible for regulating sleep cycles? It's C, melatonin. In which country can you find the ruins of Machu Picchu? That's right, A, Peru. Which element has the highest melting point? Yeah, it's C, tungsten. To be or not to be, that is the question, comes from which play? Correct, it's C, Hamlet. What is the SI unit of electric current? Yeah, it's A, ampere. What is the mathematical name for a six-sided polygon? It's A, hexagon. Who said imagination is more important than knowledge? It's C, Albert Einstein. Which ancient structure is located in the city of Agra, India? Yeah, it's B, Taj Mahal. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? It's B, transpiration. What is the approximate diameter of the Earth? It's A, 12,756 kilometers. Which type of rock is formed from cooled magma or lava? That's correct, it's B, igneous. What is the term for the study of plants? It's C, botany. Which country is home to Mount Kilimanjaro? The answer is B, Tanzania. What is the term for the highest point in a wave? Yeah, it's C, crest. Which gas is primarily responsible for the greenhouse effect? It's C. Carbon dioxide. What is the term for a triangle with all sides of different lengths? Correct. B. Scalene. Who is the scientist behind the theory of evolution by natural selection? A. Charles Darwin. What is the term for an angle greater than 90 but less than 180? It's B. Obtuse. What does the H stand for in the medical acronym HIV? Yeah, it's A. Human. What is the term for the study of fungi? That would be A. Mycology. Which element on the periodic table has the atomic number 1? Yeah, it's B. Hydrogen. What is the term for a government ruled by a small group of people? It's C. Oligarchy. What is the largest desert in the world? It's B. Antarctic desert. What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese miso soup? Yep, it's A. Soybeans. Which language is the most widely spoken in South America? That would be C. Spanish. What is the largest country in Africa by land area? It's B. Algeria. What is the study of insects called? Yeah, C. Entomology. What is a term for the point where a river meets the sea? Yeah, it's B. Estuary. What is the total measure of the interior angles of a pentagon? It's A. 540. Which ancient civilization built the city of Tenochtitlan? Yeah, A. The Aztec. Which mathematical term describes a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction? That's it, yeah. B. Irrational. What is the name of the protein that carries oxygen in the blood? It's C. Hemoglobin. Who was the first emperor of Rome? It's B. Augustus. Which composer is known for the Fifth Symphony? Correct, it's C, Beethoven. What is the main gas found in the sun? Yeah, C, hydrogen. What is the name of the scale used to measure the spiciness of chili peppers? The answer is C, Scoville scale. What is the scientific term for the study of sound? Yeah, it's A, acoustics. What is the term for a solution with a pH less than 7? That's right, B, acidic. Who wrote All Men Are Created Equal? It's A, Thomas Jefferson. What is the term for a triangle with one angle greater than 90 degrees? It's C, obtuse triangle. What is the square of 13? Yeah, B, 169. What is the capital city of Kenya? You got it, A, Nairobi. Which Greek philosopher tutored Alexander the Great? Yep, it's C, Aristotle. What is the name of the process by which cells divide to create identical copies? It's A, mitosis. Which ocean is the deepest in the world? Correct, yeah, it's A, the Pacific Ocean. What is the capital of Turkey? That would be B, Ankara. Who famously said, "Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country"? A, John F. Kennedy. Which U.S. state is home to Yellowstone National Park? It's A, Wyoming. What is the term for the time it takes for half of a radioactive substance to decay? Correct, it's C, half-life. Which Greek god is known as the god of the sea? That's right, B, Poseidon. Which element is used as a disinfectant in swimming pools? It's C, chlorine. Which country was formerly known as Siam? Good one, yeah. B. Thailand. What is the chemical formula for table salt? It's B. NaCl. What is a mathematical term for a number that is not a fraction or a decimal? It's C. Integer. In Greek mythology, who flew too close to the sun? That was C. Icarus. What is the name of the boundary where two tectonic plates meet? The answer is A. Plate boundary. What is the term for the shape of the DNA molecule? That's B. Double helix. Which Renaissance artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? It was A. Michelangelo. What is the study of animal behavior called? Yeah, it's B. Ethology. Who is the author of the novel Frankenstein? Yeah, A. Mary Shelley. What is the term for the distance light travels in 1 year? You got it, A. A light year. What is the term for a government in which religion plays a central role? Yeah, it's B. Theocracy. Who famously said, "I came, I saw, I conquered"? It was C. Julius Caesar. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? That would be A. Canada. Which scientist proposed the 3 laws of motion? It was B. Isaac Newton. Who was the first emperor of China? Yeah, A. Qin Shi Huang. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Good one, yeah. It's A. Brazil. What is the largest moon of Saturn? It's C. Titan. Which Greek mathematician is known as the father of geometry? It's B. Euclid. What is the most populous city in the world? Currently, it's A. Tokyo. Who was the British Prime Minister during World War II? Yeah, it was C. Winston Churchill. What is the term for a volcanic rock formed from lava? Correct, it's A. Basalt. Which scientist is credited with the discovery of penicillin? Yeah, C. Alexander Fleming. Which U.S. state has the nickname the Last Frontier? Correct, it's B. Alaska. Who is credited with the discovery of the electron? That's right, B. J.J. Thomson. Which Shakespearean play features the characters Goneril, Regan, and Cordelia? Yeah, A. King Lear. What is the term for the study of word origins and history? It's B. Etymology. What is the most widely spoken language in Africa? Correct, it's B. Swahili. What is the study of the Earth's physical structure and substance? It's C. Geology. What is the term for a large landmass surrounded by water on 3 sides? It's C. Peninsula. Which Italian explorer is credited with discovering the Americas in 1492? Yeah, C. Christopher Columbus. What is the term for the heat required to change a solid into a liquid? You got it, B. Latent heat. What is the chemical symbol for tin? Nice, yeah. It's A. SN. What is the SI unit of frequency? Correct, it's A. Hertz. Which planet has a surface temperature hot enough to melt lead? Yep, B. Venus. What is the term for a change in an organism's DNA? That's it, A. Mutation. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? It's A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the only continent with no native species of reptiles? You got it, A. Antarctica. What is the smallest prime number? That would be B, 2. Which sea is the saltiest body of water on Earth? The answer is C, the Dead Sea. What is the square of 15? Correct, yeah, it's B, 225. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Yeah, C, a barometer. What is the name of the longest nerve in the human body? It's B, the sciatic nerve. Which scientist proposed the uncertainty principle? Yeah, A, Werner Heisenberg. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? You got it, A, the cerebellum. Which country has the largest proven oil reserves? It's B, Venezuela. What is the process by which rocks are broken down into smaller pieces? It's called C, weathering. Tell me in the comments how many questions out of 100 you got right, and please hit that thumbs up if you had fun. Thank you so much for playing.